Hello there, House Smart member. It's always nice to have this opportunity through the coffee break to bring topics to the level of experience and also your ambition and abilities to deal with such things that we're dealing with this morning. And one of those items happens to be, it could be in the afternoon, incidentally, in your case, but in any event, concrete and cracks in concrete. You know, folks, really, I receive hundreds of calls on the telephone at shows I'm asked about concrete cracks, be it in a foundation basement area, a slab patio, a driveway, garage floor, all of these items. First, let it be known that concrete does not bend, which obviously you're very much aware of that. But concrete can be charged with a stress factor that it will crack. Now, stress factor caused from settlement, for an example, poorly compact substrate underneath where the concrete has been allowed now to be stressed out in suspension, so therefore it gives up and it cracks. Another situation, poor drainage of the substrate underneath. You'll have concerns with frost in some areas, some zones across the country during severe weather conditions during the winter months, so you get frost heave. You've heard that term. All of these items create the problem with concrete. Now, I'm even asked from time to time, would I be better to go with a concrete finish, broom finish, exposed aggregate, or stamped concrete? Folks, it doesn't really matter. Either or is going to function the same. So cracks in concrete without any special stamping or exposed feature is going to be easy. Like a broom finish is going to be easier to repair when it comes down to repairing. Now, also keep in mind that asphalt has been used for years for driveways, not for patios because it will not take the support of four legs on a chair or on a table or a barbecue because the temperature, the constant weight factor, and the size of the weight distribution point being the leg of a chair will sink into the flexible product asphalt. So you can go into paving stones. And incidentally, I'm very much, today is a paving stone age. And paving stones, if you've ever been to European countries, paving stones have been used for hundreds and hundreds of years. So pavers are a good choice. And not only are they a good choice for giving you that relief in the event of any movement or poor compaction, that sure you'll get some unevenness and that sort of thing, but also it's not something as severe as concrete flat finish, even though it is reinforced, be it with wire or reinforcing rod. So that's giving you the kind of the details as to what can be used. In fact, there's even products out there now that are recycled rubber tires. And you got to be very careful on a lot of these items because you don't want to be the first, you don't want to be the second necessarily. You want some history built up in products that are being used in the different zones, be it in a northern zone, a central zone, or a southern zone, be it warm weather, intermediate weather, very cold weather in the wintertime. So keep all those items in mind, and I'm just giving you the heads up on it. Now, to deal with cracks in concrete, the real factor of crack repair is really something that can be so frustrating because you can repair it today, tomorrow it looks great, and by the time spring rolls around, it's right back to the way it was because of poor drainage, because of frost movement, because of just settlement, temperature change, heat as well as cold. So, folks, I really do suggest that when in doubt, always check it out on my website. We do have a number of areas on there, repairing concrete. If you go to our actual question and answer location and put in cracked concrete or repairing concrete, there's many ways and means of doing it there on our website. But I highly suggest this information here on the coffee break is if in fact you have a crack, then there's a many ways and for you to just go to the website and check out. I just want to give you the details as to good, better, best. What should you do? And I can tell you right now, folks, if you're going to have concrete repair, if you are in an area where there's a service like our own Shell Busey House Smart Home Services here in Greater Vancouver, we have professionals that repair concrete. And they are professional. Not only will they, for example, stabilize a concrete slab by slab jacking, that's supporting underneath the slab by first supporting with a slab injection from the top side down in underneath to take any voids out and give that stability to the slab before you even repair, because otherwise you could be right back again even with a professional application. So, and also they have the proper materials. They use acrylics, they use urethanes, and they use all different colors of repair materials. So I really highly recommend, if the slab is worth saving, and keep in mind we have concrete repair as well as concrete replacement trades here on the Shell Busey House Smart Home Services. So if you're really in doubt, then have someone come out and just give us a call at the House Smart Home Services, and that's 604-542-2236. Okay, that way we can get a professional out to give you a quote or to give you some examples of what you should or should not doing. But repairing, to repair cracks, you've got to stabilize that slab. You've got to give that that repair the opportunity for a professional application. And all kinds of DIY, do-it-yourself repairs are on my website, which you're a member of my club. So just go to the question and answers on our homepage and find where you can do the job best, and you get the rest. But keep in mind, I'm very pro if you're replacing concrete patios, sidewalks, driveways. I would highly suggest paving stones today. Not only do they add value, they add decor, and cosmetically, they're much more pleasing to the eye. I hope this helps out. My name's Shell Busey. To talk to you again.